Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Learn Math with Shobita. Today I am discussing question from real analysis which is asked in the KCET examination 2015. The question is, let x1 greater than or equal to x2 greater than or equal to and so on xk greater than or equal to 0. Then limit n tending to infinity of x1 to the power n plus x2 to the power n and so on xk to the power n 1 by n will be equal to, what is the value? So let us see solution. Given limit n tending to infinity of x1 to the power n plus x2 to the power n plus and so on plus xk to the power n whole thing to the power 1 by n. So this I will calculate as I will take x1 to the power n outside. So what will happen? Let us see. X1 to the power n, if I take it common, then this will be x1 plus x2 by x1 to the power n plus and so on plus xk by x1 whole thing to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. So this will be equal to limit n tending to infinity x1 to the power n into 1 by n. So we will get x1 into 1 plus x2 by x1 to the power n plus and so on plus xk by x1 to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Okay. Now since given x1 is greater than x2, x2 is greater than xk and so on. So we get x2 by x1 is smaller. x2 by x1 is smaller than 1 and so on xk by x1 is smaller than 1. Therefore, as n tends to infinity, x2 by x1 whole to the power n tends to 0. Similarly, xk by x1 whole to the power n tends to 0. Therefore, this will be equal to x1. Okay, so this term tends to 0 and so on this term tends to 0. The remaining is 1 to the power 1 by n as n tends to infinity will be 1 into x1. So therefore the option B is the correct one. Thank you friends. Please share and subscribe the channel.